Welcome back, nail queens, to my Zodiac nail art series where every month I do a different month of the Zodiac sign. So this month I am doing Gemini, and guess what? I am a Gemini. I was born in June, and this month I'm just really happy to finally get to my sign and do my sign. So I wanted to do something really girly and different than all of the months I've done so far. And this one is half dip, half gel. I know that my series has been very gel heavy and I'm trying to go away from that. So I am going to do some like creative dip technique style. It's like wannabe color blocking with my dip base and dip powder. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying dip base to my nail, and it's really difficult for me on this nail to show you guys, but eventually I get the hang of it. On my thumb it was really easy because it's such a large nail, but the smaller the nails are, the harder it is. I'm trying to do like a wavy design and keep my free edge, or my tip area as you would call it. I want it to have like an artistic, cool vibe to it, so I'm trying to do the wave design as you can see here. And I'm dipping into the color Classy. This color is by Soul Dip. I've basically considered this like one of my favorite like French pinky nudes. It's very on the pink side, but I also have pink undertones in my skin, so anything that's like super pink on me, or like in general when it's on my skin, it doesn't look as pink because I like eat it up because I'm so red. I don't know. So as you can see here, my free edge is free of dip powder, and that's because I'm going to be like placing a marble gel thing there. You'll see that later on around like minute 7 or so. But here I'm just going to repeat this process on my middle finger. Don't worry, I'm not going to do all 4 nails. I'm just going to show you 2 nails and repeat it until all the dip is on the nail. So I'm going in for dip number 2. I'm actually doing a total of 3 dips on every single nail, in case you were wondering how many dips I did on this like wavy, I don't know what to call it. Is it like a reverse French? I think it is. I think this is considered a reverse French, because on reverse Frenches in acrylic terms, you do the back side first, and then you do the free edge, the tip area, the French tip, second. So I guess it is considered a reverse French. So yeah, I'm going to do that a total of 3 times on each nail. I am going to do the other 2 nails off camera, so you're going to see me like magically come back with 2 nails done. So don't be surprised when that happens. So now I have to activate these nails, and one of the reasons is because I need to file, shape, and buff. If you look at it closely, I went kind of crazy with my base bond, but 2, because I'm using gel after this, so there's no reason for me to keep it unactivated. I want to do all that before I go into my gel art. So it's hardened, 2 minutes have passed, it's hardened. I'm going to file, shape, and buff. I don't do a great job here. I do wish I had done more filing, shaping, and buffing. I think I was a little too excited about doing the nail art, so I kind of rushed. but if you want a non-rushed filing, shaping, and buffing routine, I do have a video in case you're interested in checking that out after this video, or if you like binge watching YouTube videos, because I totally do. So I'm just gonna file all of that up, and you probably saw me peel up my peel base, so I'm gonna reapply that before I come back. And just like magic, like I said, 2 of my nails are done. So I'm going to be doing my index and pinky of the gel nail art that you see on these nails. I'm going to be doing that technique on my index and my pinky. I just didn't want to keep you guys like here all day watching me do 5 nails, because I will admit this is a time-consuming process. So the gel polishes I'm using are all from Sparkle & Co. I think this is from their birthday bag. At least this purple one is. I don't remember if all of these were, but I will have everything down in the description box below. I do know that their subscription bag stuff does retire after some time, so you might want to hit up the buy-sell trade groups or subscribe now in order to get this before it retires, because I think it retires in like a month or so. But I really do like these gel polishes. They're really like, I don't know how to explain it, but pink and turquoise, like, that's like my favorite combo, but I had to add in purple because I just wanted to give it a really like feminine touch, and a third color really helped. And if you have no clue what I'm doing here, I'm basically just laying down like different gel polishes, and I'm doing them in a line. And then I'm going to take this ombre gel brush here, and I'm basically going to scoop up my gel polish with the brush. And then now that that's all on my brush, I'm just going to fiddle it or drag it or wiggle it. However, I can't explain the technique per se, but I'm trying to let the gel polish go on my fingernail where the free edge is, and then I'll flash cure and then fully cure that later. I really don't care if it gets too mixed up, but I also don't want to turn it into a puddle of colors that look gross. So I'm basically repeating the same thing I just did, except for I'm using the same gel polish I laid down. I don't have to lay more down because there's already enough on my palette. And if someone could be the queen of being out of frame, that would be me, because I've done this twice in this video. I'm so sorry for being out of frame. It's like when I'm in it, when I'm in the mood and doing my nails, I like kind of forget about the screen and the camera, and I just like, oops, I'm out of frame. But you are in luck, because I don't like how this turned out. So I'm going to wipe this right off with rubbing alcohol and my paper towel. I wasn't feeling it. I felt like it was like too blended and too muddy. So I am going to reapply this, and you're going to actually be able to see it all. Okay, so now it's time to use these stickers. By the way, I cured the gel for a whole minute. But these stickers, I love, love, love using these stickers, especially when I don't feel like pulling out my stamping plates, or I don't have any water slide decals in Zodiac Signs. But that would be a cool collection now, wouldn't it? I think that would make a cool collection. So I think these stickers are like a fun, easy way to do this. They lay really, really flat, so they're just really easy to use, and all you have to do is apply either clear dip on top, gel top coat, dip top coat, whatever you want. They lay really flat, and they're absolutely stunning. Even when you do top coat them, they still like look absolutely gorgeous. So once my stickers are on, I do want to use this golden gel polish. It's funny because I don't like this polish, but it was perfect to use for this mani. It's like, have you ever had that nail product or any kind of product that you're like, I'm never going to use this, but then there's that perfect moment where you're like, ah, oh, I can use it finally. Yeah, I held on to this gel polish because I was unable to sell it because apparently nobody else likes it. But I'm just basically tracing the outline of the free edge to where like the color classy is, and then I cure that for a full minute, and then again, queen of being out of frame, I'm doing it again here. I apologize. I will try to get better at that. So I just traced the outline of the free edge and cured the gel for a whole minute. So I'm going to top coat really quick and be right back. So I will have to admit, and it's not bias because I am a Gemini, but this is really up there. I mean, I've only done 6 months so far. 6 or 7 months? 6 months. So I really do think that this is up there with my favorite Zodiac manis I've done so far. Definitely let me know in the comments below which has been your favorite so far. And be sure to like this video if you did like this video and you like this tutorial, and if you like this style of mani. And if you want to see more manis like this, be sure to hit subscribe because I definitely have more Zodiac manis and many more videos to come in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!